Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to block font permissions on Google Chrome for a specific website. This new update allows you to have greater control over which sites can access the fonts installed on your device. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. If you haven't already, make sure you're running the latest version of Chrome to access all the new features. Next, navigate to the website for which you want to block font permissions. Simply type in the URL and hit enter. Once the site loads, look at the address bar. Next to the web address, you will see a small icon that indicates site information. Click on this icon to view more details about the site. Now, open Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various permissions for that specific site. In the Site Settings menu, look for the section labeled Fonts. Here, you'll find options that control how fonts are handled on this website. Finally, next to Fonts, choose Block. This action will prevent the site from using any fonts installed on your device, ensuring that it adheres to its own font settings instead of yours. By following these steps, you've successfully blocked font permissions for that specific website in Google Chrome. This feature enhances your browsing experience by giving you more control over how websites display text. Remember, if you ever want to revert this change, simply follow the same steps and select Allow instead of Block. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your online experience.